Looking for the perfect jigsaw blades to elevate your woodworking projects? Meet the TopsTools T, a 15-piece universal jigsaw saw blade accessory kit. Crafted with high-quality materials, these blades feature a T-shank design for maximum grip and stability, fitting 90% of all current jigsaw makes and models. Ideal for making straight and rapid cuts in wood, OSB, and plywood from 1/4 inch to 2 inches and 3/8 inches thick. Designed for durability and professional quality performance. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to upgrade your toolkit? Check out the Bosch Jigsaw Blades set, a 10-piece collection designed for precision cuts in both metal and wood, with a variety of blades like the T119BO and T111C for wood, plus the T118G and T118B for metal. You'll be ready for any project. Durable and versatile, these blades make your work easier and more efficient. You'll find the purchase link in the description in a pinned comment. Looking for reliable and versatile jigsaw blades? Check out the WORKPRO Jigsaw Blades set, featuring a T-shank interface for secure fit and compatibility with major brands like Bosch, Black & Decker, Makita and Dewalt. These blades are made from high-quality materials that are designed to last. Perfect for cutting wood, plastic and metal. This 25-piece set comes in a convenient storage case to keep everything organized. Upgrade your toolkit today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable tool to make precise cuts in mineral fiber insulation materials? The Bosch T1013AWP jigsaw blade is your perfect choice. With a serrated edge designed specifically for cutting stone wool and glass wool, it ensures accuracy and efficiency. Compatible with all T-shank jigsaws, this set includes 3 blades, each 250mm long. Whether you're a professional or an eye enthusiast, this blade makes insulation work easier. You'll find the purchase link in the description in a pinned comment. Looking for a reliable set of blades for your jigsaw? Meet the TopsTools T101BR. This 15-piece universal jigsaw saw blade accessory kit is crafted with the highest quality materials for professional results. The T-shank design ensures maximum grip and stability, fitting 90% of all current jigsaw brands and models. The reverse pitch tooth pattern delivers extra clean cuts in hard and soft wood, plastics, plywood, and laminated particle board from 3/60 inch to 1 1/4 inch thick. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Dewalt DT, a versatile and reliable tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its quick-fit regular attachment system, it ensures easy and secure changes, saving you time on your projects. The Dewalt DT features durable teeth suitable for various wood types, making your cutting task smooth and precise. Built with high-quality materials, it promises long-lasting performance. Whether you're a DIY or a craft, this accessory is perfect for enhancing your toolkit. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to tackle metal cutting projects with ease? Check out the TopsTools Jigsaw Blades, a 15-piece universal accessory kit crafted from the highest quality materials. A T-shank design guarantees maximum grip and stability, fitting 90% of all current jigsaw models. Perfect for cutting sheet metal and thin metals ranging from 2/8 inch to 1/4 inch or 0.5mm to 6mm. These professional quality blades make your task smooth, more precise. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.